You with me?
Everybody's all drunk, but I'm drunk. So, I'm fucked up. You call me or no?
Yeah, I'm cool.
Well, you don't care.
What am I supposed to say?
You don't care. Promise me.
Promise you what?
Whatever, you're drunk.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, she's drunk. Oh. You drunk?
No. What?
You drunk?
No.
You gonna be with me and be all drunk? All like that?
Yeah.
For real?
For reals?
So you're gonna be with me like it? You're gonna be all drunk.
I think we are drunk.
It don't matter. It don't matter.
No?
You're scared.
Okay. I'm scared? Why am I scared?
Because you're scared and you're drunk.
Okay.
And you're hella scary.
I'm scary.
I'm serious.
Okay.
You're a scary girl.
I'm a scary girl.
Am I right or wrong?
I guess you're right.
I don't want to be without you.
But I'm scary.
No.
You just said I was.
But I don't want to be without you.
Why?